Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Emily here, and we are actually filming outside. I haven't filmed outside for a long time. I used to do it all the time, but yeah, I'm outside and I'm actually opening a Kylie package that I got. Yes, when I first started doing YouTube videos, this is what I did. I unboxed the Kylie K lip kit, and right here I actually have the lip liner I ordered, and I was just gonna open up, but since I have not got something from Kylie in forever, I decided to why not unbox this so for you guys, and plus this is what my first video was about. So yeah, we're outside. I have no makeup on, so this is not going to be like a try on, but I will link down my first video that I made of the K&K kit so you can see what it looks like, and then I'll also link down below to the lip gloss because I also have the lip gloss. So yeah, let's get unboxing. I haven't done this for a while. Of course it's just a plain black box. She used to have her name on the side, but because of people stealing it because they realized what company it was from and stuff, she stopped doing that, which was really great. But yeah, I'm not too sure on how to open it. I forget because the boxes used to always trick me. But yeah, I'm holding it like this down here for right now because of the address. And it's really nice outside, so, and it's kind of windy, so my hair is kind of blowing. But I'm going to open this up. And sorry for my Night for Christmas shirt. It's Friday the 13th actually today, so I decided to wear my Night for Christmas stuff. So this is it. This is how you open it. Like that. I actually threw all my boxes away. I used to keep them, but I threw them away. But it just says Kylie on here. And then just comes with the receipt. And then the card, which I have not had a card in forever. So this is what it looks like. Just a regular logo. And it's shiny in the middle. And then this is what the card is. It says, I hope you love your latest purchase. Stay tuned for more exciting products coming soon. XOXO Kylie Jenner. So yeah, and of course I really like how she wrote it out. You know, it's not just like some computer type. So yeah, it adds a personal touch to it. So it just comes with, you know, that stuff. And here's the box. But this is the main project. So it says Kylie, Kylie, Kylie all around it. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, this is a lip liner. Of course, I did not actually order a lip liner as separate, so I don't have a package like that. And I think it's really cool. I think they could have added something else to it instead of just having it say Kylie all over again. But I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I know this says Kylie K on top. So yeah, and I'm gonna open it up. It looks like the Kylie K sticker. It looks like it's a sticker you have to peel because it's like, yeah, you have to peel it on the side, which kind of sucks. Yeah, you can like, it basically, the Kylie K stuff, like Kylie K label is basically a sticker type of thing, which kind of sucks. But yeah, so let's get it. So this is what it looks like. Of course, I already have this color, so I already know what it's like and everything. But yeah, this is a lip liner for who doesn't know. Oh, cool. It's so cool having a new one. Yeah, I should have brought mine downstairs to show you guys, but mine is literally so tiny. It basically is to like here now. So that's pretty tiny. So I really need a new one. The shade's like perfect for me because it's like a... It's not a light shade for me, but it's just like really perfect with my light skin tone I have. And then also it just adds like a touch to it because it's like, you know, it stands out a bit. So it's just like really perfect for a natural color, and also just, you know, one to get fancy. I usually always use a lip liner and not the liquid lipstick because it dries out my lips, and I don't know, it kind of makes my lips look too big, so I only save that for my fancier days. But I use this all the time for going to work or whatever. So yeah, so now I have a new one. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I actually been commenting on her posts of the company saying, come back with Kylie K lip liner, please come back. But finally they do, so this is good. So I don't have to worry about if I do run out and stuff. I have an extra one that I can use. yeah, so it's pretty nice. But I'm gonna save that until my other one set. And if you're wondering, this is, it actually does not say on here how much it was, but it wasn't like that much. I think it was like $12, I think, for it. But the time that shipping will add up, and then the taxes, it was literally, I think it was like $23 or like $21. It was in between there. So that's how much it was. So it really sucks because they pay so much for shipping, but it comes from Los Angeles, of course. So that's why it's so much. But yeah, so this is it. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but the school bus came. But this is it, and yeah, pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, link down below if you want to actually watch what the shade looks like. I got the K lip kit, so you can watch that video down below. And that was actually my first video, so you can go check that out. And I also have linked down below the lip gloss of K. So yeah, and I also have other videos as well on my channel. If you go back, you can watch on my other Kylie unboxing videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.